Okay, I've been putting heat on my hair for a month now. I did 2 back-to-back silk presses. And I am really afraid of the heat damage that I have caused on my hair. And I'm gonna try my best to revert my curls back. I was told that I should try this K18 Biomedic Hair Science Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask, because apparently it fixes your damage in like 4 minutes. So we're gonna see if that's true. But before I get in the shower, I'm going to take this Taraji P. Henson Master Cleanse Scalp Wash and put this all throughout my hair. I feel like if you're not using a scalp wash, are you really washing your scalp? I think scalp washes really help with getting buildup removed from your scalp. Ooh. Since we put so many products in our hair, sometimes just simply going straight into shampooing your hair does not help. So get you a scalp wash. This is one of my favorite scalp washes. Okay. I just washed my hair. Let me show you what I used. I used the Moisture Repair Shampoo from Fenty, and I also shampooed with this Nexxus shampoo because I had 2 different shampoos for 2 different uses. So I wanted to do both. Then I conditioned my hair with the Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. If you only have money to get one thing from this line, let it be this. This is their best product in the line right now. Yeah, love it. Okay, now let's start on my hair. Let's see the damage. Okay, so not too bad, not too bad. The front is definitely messed up. Ooh. Yikes. Oh my god, there are some pieces that are just straight. Ugh. Yeah, it's mostly in the front that is super straight, but overall, not too bad. Not too bad. I really thought it was gonna be way worse. Like, some of these pieces in the front are done for. Okay, I'm doing a side part today. So I am going to part it and then style my hair based off of the parts. I usually like starting from the back. So I'm gonna make my way back here. Because I'm also showing you my before and after of my hair growth since my most recent chop. I've done 2 chops now since I was 18. Sometimes you just need to cut it off. Hair grows back. And since then, like I used to bleach my hair. I loved blonde on me. I feel like it looked so good on me. I love the ombre kind of look. But my hair's not the same anymore, so I do not bleach my hair anymore. Okay, first I am taking this growth oil from the Main Choice, and I'm putting that on my scalp. And I have this leftover oil. I'm just trying to get rid of it and finish it, so I'm gonna put that on my hair. And I have added Chakotobot back into my hair routine. This is Dax Indian Hemp. You can get it from the beauty supply. But if you're Habesha, you know, you know. If you know, you know. Our Habesha mothers are onto something. My hair was the best when I had Chakotobot in my hair. And recently, like my silk presses were not silking. Like my hair would just get humid so fast. So I was like, and I saw that somebody was like, if your silk press is not lasting, your hair needs moisture. And I started using this recently, and my hair was lasting in my silk press. So we putting Chakotobot back into the picture. And now I'm trying this K18, but I'm not gonna put it all through my hair. I'm just gonna put it in the damaged pieces. It smells good. And it's supposed to work in 4 minutes, so if it doesn't, I'm coming for y'all though. So let's see. Okay, and then for the rest of my hair, I'm using this Mango and Shea Butter Cream of Nature Leave-In Conditioner. Now I'm ready to style my hair. because I'm not gonna just leave, I'm not gonna just leave it like this. So now this is where the Mane Choice braid glaze thing comes into play. So now I'm gonna take a small-ish piece and take this and put it through my hair and just finger coil so that when it dries nicely. And I'm gonna do that to small, very small sections of my hair. I think this product and the other hair oil I've used has helped with my hair growth. I also use a shower filter. I'm gonna link that in the description. And I've seen a significant difference in my hair in the past couple of months with those things. I'm just gonna finger coil. Finger coil. But my hair has grown lots doing this method. And don't forget that scalp wash. The scalp wash is important. But I will say, I cannot believe this is $75. So it better work. All right, finish one section. I'm gonna do this section and I'll be right back. Okay, I have finger coiled this entire side. I'm using my Fenty edge brush and their edge control. Forgot to say that. Now let's get to the other side. Okay, I have finger coiled all of my hair. The front is pretty bad. Like, look at this one piece. Ooh. God help the front of my hair from this heat damage, but I will let it air dry and be back to show y'all what it looks like. Typically I would diffuse it, but I don't have a diffuser right now. Maybe when I get closer to leaving, I will blow dry it. Let's see if this product actually works and revives my curls. Okay, my hair is somewhat dry. Let's see what it looks like. I think the $75 product did work. Ooh. Oh my God. This is so sad. There's some pieces that are just still struggling. Oh. I don't know what I'm gonna do about these pieces in the front. Oof, God help me. For the most part, the rest of my hair looks decent, I think. I'm gonna have to say, I don't think this is working. My hair looks okay, but I'm not sure if this is worth $75. Okay. I have went to sleep and woke up. This is what my hair is looking like. So I think just the front is damaged and the rest of my hair is fine. We're gonna keep using the mask. Okay, we're back. I tried using this and I did not follow directions. You're not supposed to condition your hair after shampooing. You're supposed to just shampoo, then apply this. And then I also tried to touch up my curls with this after I had already put product in it. And once you put this in your hair, you have to wait like 7 minutes before adding any other styling creams. So I'm gonna give this a break. And I'm gonna go back to my old heat damage curl reverse bottle that I use. This is the Bond Curl Rehab Salve from Curlsmith. And I'm just gonna take a generous amount. I've separated my hair into 4 sections. And I'm just gonna apply this and let it sit in my hair for 15 minutes and shampoo my hair. Be right back. Okay, I have put it all throughout my hair and this is what it looks like. And I'm going to let this sit in my hair for 15 minutes now. I'm gonna shampoo my hair and then I'm gonna do a treatment mask from Sacred. Here it is. Be right back. Okay, now it's time to add the Sacred Mask. It's a reconstruction treatment mask. I have not conditioned my hair. It says that you should apply this after shampooing. I read the directions, and you should only keep it in your hair for 20 minutes. But I really want to use the mask to target these front pieces that are like wavy. Oh, actually, it smells good. I was expecting it to look like this. There's a little bit of a shimmer to it. Interesting. So here I go. You're supposed to condition after because apparently it dries out your hair a little bit. So let me apply this all throughout. Okay, put my hair into 4 sections and let it soak in, and I'm letting it sit for 20 minutes. And I am going to like just off rip by just applying it through my hair. The quality of this, I am impressed. But like, did we really expect anything less from Queen Bee herself? Come on. Come on, she wasn't gonna let us down. Everything she does is top tier, top notch, top quality. But yeah, I'm impressed. I also got something else from the line. I'm gonna show you guys later whenever I style my hair. But so far, it's giving I want to try the rest of the line. Okay, we conditioned. I used the Fenty Deep Conditioning Hair Mask and this conditioner from Moisture and Control from Oribe. And we have an empty. Clean that bad boy up. If there's only one thing you want to get from the Fenty hair line, let it be this product. 8 down. And now I am going to put leave-in conditioner in my hair, and I'm going to use, I now understand that you have to do the lock method, leave-in conditioner, lock, is it lock? Leave-in, no, LCO method. Leave-in, cream, oil last to seal everything. Using this Cream of Nature Mango and Shea Butter leave-in conditioner. I'm not gonna put too much in my hair because I do wanna put oil at the end, and this already has kind of a lot of oil in it. And I am getting the front braided by my cousin. My hair does the best in braids. Especially since the front is damaged, I do want to braid it and put it away for a little bit and just treat that part of my hair. I'm not using cream, but I am using this Mane Choice Braid Glaze and putting that throughout my hair. And here's the final step. This was the Sacred product I was mentioning earlier that I added. I ended up buying the oil. It smells so good. And it feels so nice in your hair. And I'm, again, doing the LCO method. Leave-in, cream, and oil last. So going to get a generous amount of that and really make sure to get my ends. I really love the smell of this, and I also love the ingredients, which is why I bought it. Gonna get that front part that is damaged. Be right back, I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, my hair is all styled up. And now I'm gonna go get my cousin to braid the front part. Be right back. Okay, I got my hair braided and I went to sleep last night with my bonnet and scarf. So here are the braids, the fresh braids. I'm gonna have to wet this back part so that I can just wear my hair out. I'm also thinking about maybe adding rubber bands to the ends and letting the braids out. I'm very impressed with the Sacred line and the treatment, but I do feel a difference with my curl pattern. I feel like my curls are getting tighter after using the treatment. Okay, I refreshed the curls and I am loving this look. Now that I have the map of how it should look, I'm going to attempt this again by myself one day. Okay, look at my hair. Styled and done with my face beat. Love it. Thank you for coming along to learn about my heat damage treatment recovery after 2 silk presses. See you guys in the next video. Bye.